Today, I'll show you how to create Proforma Invoice in Zoho Books, also known as a quote in Zoho Books. This is useful when you want to send a price estimate to a client before the sale is confirmed. The process is simple and doesn't take much time. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Sales. From the drop-down options, select Quotes. This is where Zoho Books manages all Proforma invoices. On the Quotes page, click the Create New Quote button. A new form will open where you'll enter the details for your client. Start by selecting or adding the customer name. Zoho Books will automatically generate a quote number, but you can edit it if needed. Set the quote date and choose the salesperson if that option is enabled in your account. Next, add the products or services you're offering. Enter the item name, quantity, and price. You can also include discounts, shipping charges, or taxes depending on your business setup. Make sure all information is accurate because this is what your client will review before approving the work. Scroll down to review the total amount and double-check everything. If you want to make changes later, you can save the quote as a draft. If you're ready to send it, click Save and Send, and Zoho Books will email the quote directly to your client. That's all it takes. You've successfully created a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books. This method helps you stay professional, organized, and clear before finalizing a sale.